Hi everyone, this video is about how to reinstall an EGR valve on a 1995 Ford Bronco. So some of the items you're going to need, obviously the EGR valve. Got a new gasket from, once again, Rock Auto. You're going to need a torque wrench to torque this back to spec as per manufacturers. You're going to need a crescent wrench as well too for the lower bolt here that's still on the pipe inside the engine bay. And then you're also going to need the stud with the bolt on the end of it that's going to hold on to the EGR, and as well as going to bolt on the bracket, and then the other hex head bolt as well too. 13 millimeter or 1/2 inch sockets as well, and probably a deep socket, and we'll go from there. Thanks. Okay, here we are with the EGR install. So basically we have this gasket and the EGR, and on the one side here you can have the hex head bolt to go through, and on the other side you're going to have this stud. Now the bolt is fixed on it, so it's going to basically go in here. Now according to torque specs for Ford, it's 13 to 16 foot-pounds, or 13 to 19 I believe. So I've kind of gone in halfway, gone to 16, so I just wanted to set those bolts in there. Then we'll tighten them up. Let's get them started. There we go. Get them hand tight. So you put a socket on there. I always like to thread these by hand just so I know they're not cross-threaded or binding up or anything like that, at least till they bottom out. This bracket obviously goes on here as well too, so that's another one we're gonna have to get out of the way. This will have the EGR connection to it. So let's put it in the way here. So get this bracket past here, and I'll set that on there in a minute. Once we get this valve back on. Okay, so both hand tight. Got the gasket on there. We'll torque both sides to the right spec. Click. Torque this to the same spec. There's that click. Mount this bracket on here as well here too. Just like this. I would just tighten this one, but I mean, if you like, you can set it to the same torque spec as the EGR. I'm going to leave it a little bit loose for now, just in order to plug in all the other attachments. You can plug that clip back in there as well. Get this right? I think so, yeah. There's that. There's the hose here that goes onto the bottom as well too. According to Ford, that's 25 to 35 foot-pounds as well. Just had this tape on here to stop from any debris getting in there. I don't know how much it matters, but that in there. Tighten that the spec, like I said, 25 to 35 foot-pounds, and that's basically EGR valve install. Thanks.